Hey folks, Shane the Shark Man coming at you from Galley RV in Junction City, and we are showcasing today a 2015 Thor 4 Winds. It's got the big engine, the E350, really nice paint job, tinted windows all the way around, lots of storage as well. Moving around to the back of it, we've got a nice ladder on the back, so you got an easy access to your roof and components if you need to clean them. Stepping inside, immediately to your right, you have a very nice pull-out sleeper sofa. Lots of cabinet space in here as well. When you move forward to the cab, you've got two very nice seats. You've got a nice navigation system stereo in the dash there. Directly above that, you've got a bunk area where you can stow your gear. You can put your pets up there. You can sleep probably 3 people up there. It's pretty spacious. And then also we have a TV, a Sansui TV in that same area. A couple of cup holders there too, so you can enjoy some movies while you're relaxing. Immediately to the left, you've got your dinette set. Very nice setup. And it's got a 1-drawer storage area just below one of the bench seats. This dinette drops down, turns into a bed. Perfect for any time you want to entertain and have company, grandkids, whichever. Moving forward into the galley area, we've got a onboard generator. You can start that right up, and all your control buttons here for your gray water, your LP, to extend your slide. 3 drawers of storage beneath that. Up top, we've got a double sink, gooseneck faucet. To the left, also in the galley, you've got your 3-burner propane stove, and you got a real live oven underneath there, which is really hard to find. Above that, you've got an Advent microwave. To the left of that, you've got a nice little storage setup, 3 drawers on the side with a mirrored door. And then you've got, to the left of that, your bathroom. Very, very nice shower, sink, toilet setup. It's raised. Also, you have a 14-inch fan and a skylight in the bathroom. Pretty cool. Also, moving into the bedroom, you've got an extendable slide room, 2 lights above that, 2 windows on each side, nice headboard, really nice setup. I mean, this is a coach you gotta have. It's also got a Norcold 3-function refrigerator freezer, and above that little storage area, you can put things that you might need. So, like I always say, if I tell you the price now, feeding frenzy, everybody's going to want this one. You deserve a coach like this. So once you come on out, my information is right here on the page. Just come on out, ask for Shane the Shark Man. We'll have a cup of coffee or some breakfast or lunch. Go over the coach, check it out, and I'm telling you, you deserve a coach like this, because this is one of the #1 safest ways to travel these days. Again, Shane the Shark Man from Galley RV in Junction City. Thank you very much, and have a fantastic day.